Good morning everyone. I am Mahato, electrician instructor of Government ITI Huda Rani Mandar PTB. Welcome all of you in my theory class. Today I discuss the types of DC generator. Here shown the types of DC generator. DC generator are classified as separately excited DC generator and self-excited DC generator. These self-excited DC generator are further classified as shunt generator, series generator and compound generator. These compound generator are further classified as long shunt and short shunt. These long shunt generator are further classified cumulative and differential, and these short shunt also further classified as cumulative and differential. Now I am going to discuss in brief of all these type of DC generator with circuit diagram. The type of DC generator is determined by the manner in which the field excitation is provided. In general, the methods employed to connect the series field, shunt field and armature winding falls into the following group. Here shown the circuit diagram of separately excited DC generator. The field excitation for a separately excited DC generator is supplied from an independent source such as storage battery, separate DC generator or rectified DC supply from an AC source. The field excitation voltage may be the same as that of generated armature voltage or may be different. Generally, the excitation voltage will be of low voltage, say 24 volt DC, 36 volt DC and 48 volt DC. Next, self-excited generator. In this generator, the field excitation is provided by its own armature. In this type of generators, initially the voltage is built up by residual magnetism retained in the field poles. Self-excited generators may be further classified as shunt, series and compound generators. Next, the shunt generator. Here shown the circuit diagram of a shunt generator. The field winding is connected to the armature terminal as shown in this figure. That is, shunt field winding is connected in parallel with the armature winding. The shunt field contains many turns of relatively fine wire and carries a comparatively small current, only which is a small percentage of the rated current of the generator. Next, the series generator. Here shown the circuit diagram of a series generator. The field winding is connected in series with the armature winding. The series field winding has a few turns of heavy wire. Since it is in series with the armature, it carries the load current. Next, the compound generator. In compound generator, the field excitation is provided by a combination of shunt and series field winding. The compound generator are two types, long shunt and short shunt compound generator. Here shown the circuit diagram of long shunt compound generator. In this generator, the series field and armature are connected in series and the shunt field winding are connected in parallel with the series combination of series field and armature winding. Next, here shown the circuit diagram of short shunt compound generator. In this generator, the series field and armature are connected in series, but the shunt field winding are connected in parallel only with the armature. Here shown the circuit diagram of long shunt cumulative compound generator. In it, the current of series field and shunt field winding are flowing in same direction. The magnetizing force of shunt and series field ampere turns are cumulative. That is, they both tend to set up flux in the air gap in the same direction. It is the circuit diagram of long shunt differential compound generator. Here shown, the current flow in series field and shunt field winding are opposite, that is different direction, and that is why this type of generator are called differential compound generator. In this generator, the total flux will be less than that of cumulative compound generator. Next, here shown the circuit diagram of short shunt cumulative compound generator. In it, the current flow in the series field and shunt field winding are in same direction, so that the magnetic flux produced by these two windings are additive. Next, it is the circuit diagram of short shunt differential compound generator. Here shown, the current flow through series field and shunt field winding are opposite. I hope you are understand in details of various type of DC generator. Thank you.